So tip number 1, make booking with you as easy as possible. So first step in that is make sure you're utilizing an online booking system. I know some hairdressers are resistant to using online booking systems, but it's 2021. You got to get with it, especially if you're building from scratch. So make sure you have an online booking system. I love Square because there's no monthly fee. It's a very clean interface. Clients know, like, and trust it. The other thing is make sure that booking link is everywhere that you can put it. So put it on your Instagram profile, put it on your Facebook page, on your website, on your salon's website, on your Google page, literally everywhere. Number 2, have a personal website, mainly if you're an independent contractor. If you're working for a salon as a commission-based stylist, then that's one thing, but have a website for you. Also, clearly list all your services and exactly what they entail. So none of that cut 50, partial highlight 125 plus, none of that stuff. Clearly list what that client is getting. If you're a holistic stylist, you sure as heck are giving a different kind of service than other mainstream hairdressers are. So let people know that you're washing with clean hair care products. Let them know exactly what a bang trim entails, like all of it. Number 3, offer complimentary consultations and put it on your online service list. I cannot tell you how many clients here in Bend have been like, I love that you offer a complimentary consultation. I'm so glad you did this. So it gave us a chance to meet. So just try it. Number 4, focus on specialties that don't usually get a lot of attention. I know stylists are all about promoting their balayage or their blonding techniques, but why don't you focus on clients who have fine hair textures, clients who have thick hair textures, clients who just want a really good, simple layered cut. Lastly, tip number 5, make strong communication the thing that you are most known for. So if that means allotting more time for your services or your consultations, then do it. The other thing that I've received a lot here in Bend from my new clients is, no one's ever taken this much time with me before. No one's ever sat down and really explored what I'm actually after. So seriously, strong communication is the golden nugget. And those are my 5 tips. I hope that's helpful, Katie, and to other hairstylists out there who are rebuilding a clientele in a more holistic setting. If anybody else has any good questions, shoot me a DM and I'll answer them on stories.